Welcome to this video on the Boliviano, a history of Bolivian currency. We will explore the journey from the silver of Potosi to the modern plurinational state of Bolivia. Bolivia's monetary history is divided into 5 main eras. We will trace this journey through centuries of economic change, starting from the Spanish real to the current second Boliviano. The silver of Potosi fueled colonial wealth. The Spanish real was later replaced by the sol after independence, which was then followed by the first Boliviano, established in 1864. The Bolivian peso was introduced in 1963 to simplify money, with 1 peso Boliviano equaling 1,000 first Bolivianos. However, this currency quickly became a victim of massive inflation. In the 1980s, Bolivia faced severe hyperinflation. By September 1985, $1 cost 1,000,000 pesos Bolivianos on the black market, leading to daily exchange rate changes and the issuance of emergency money. To combat the extreme inflation, the government took drastic measures on January 1, 1987. 1,000,000 old pesos were converted to 1 new Boliviano, effectively stabilizing the economy. The second Boliviano's coins, like the 5 Bolivianos coin, carry the national coat of arms and the motto, La unión es la fuerza, or Union is strength. The plurinational banknotes of 2018 were designed to reflect Bolivia's true multiculturalism and natural beauty. These award-winning notes bear the name Estado Plurinacional de Bolivia. The 10 and 20 Bolivianos notes feature national heroes and landmarks. The blue 10 Bs celebrates the Salar de Uyuni and the hummingbird, while the orange 20 Bs depicts the ancient ruins of El Fuerte de Samaipata. The 50 and 100 Bolivianos notes showcase Bolivia's diverse flora and fauna. The purple 50 BS features the Andean flamingo and the Nevado Sajama volcano, while the red 100 Bs honors the historic national mint in Potosi. The highest value note, the 200 Boliviano, honors indigenous heroes, the liberator Simón Bolívar, and the ancient pre-Inca ruins of Tiwanaku, representing the ultimate pride of the nation. Bolivia now buys foreign-made currency from international mints for cost-effectiveness. This modern production includes advanced security features like complex hidden watermarks for anti-forgery protection. Bolivia's official exchange rate has been fixed at 6.96 Bolivianos per US dollar for over a decade. However, a recent US dollar shortage created a parallel market with fluctuating rates up to 15 Bs. Comparing the peso Boliviano of the 1980s to today's second Boliviano highlights major improvements. Stability moved from chaotic hyperinflation to a controlled rate, and design evolved from basic checks to highly secure, multicultural banknotes. The Boliviano is more than just money. It is a mirror of Bolivia's past, present, and future, tracing the nation's journey from colonial silver and hyperinflation to the vibrant celebration of the multicultural plurinational state.